forecasting for Ankara between 11th and 17th of March. Today the weather in Ankara is partly cloudy. The highest temperature is 15 degrees and the lowest temperature is 3 degrees at night. Humidity is 0%, precipitation is 47% and wind is 13 km per hour. Tomorrow the weather will be partly cloudy. The highest temperature is 17 degrees and the lowest temperature is 5 degrees at night. Humidity is 0%, precipitation is 42% and wind is 6 km per hour. On Saturday, it will be partly cloudy. The highest temperature will be 19 degrees and the lowest temperature will be 7 degrees at night. Humidity is 0%, precipitation is 14% and wind is 18 km per hour. On the 14th of March, on Sunday, it will be rain after 3 cloudy weather days. So you need to take your umbrellas. The highest and lowest temperatures will be 11 and 12 degrees. Humidity is 17%, precipitation is 17% and wind is 18 km per hour. Of March, we will have a light rain day. The highest and lowest temperatures 8 and 0 degrees. Humidity is 50%, precipitation is 65% and wind is 40 km per hour. On the 16th of March, the weather is again partly cloudy. The highest temperatures 8 and -1 degrees. Humidity is 20%.